Let's say we have a tall pea plant, but we don't know its genotype. So it could be either capital T, or capital T small t, and we cross it with a recessive dwarf plant, that is small t. If the tall plant is capital T, and we cross it with small t, then all offspring will be capital T small t, that is all will be tall, and if all the offspring are tall, the parents must be homozygous dominant, that is capital T. So if a tall plant is capital T small t, and if capital T small t is crossed with small t, the gametes that are used is capital T or small t and small t. So the offspring will be capital T small t tall and small t, that is a dwarf. So the ratio will be 1:1, that is one tall and one dwarf. So if we get the 1:1 ratio of a tall and dwarf, then the tall plant was heterozygous capital T small t. So why we use this test cross? The test cross reveals the genotype of an organism with a dominant trait, and it's a conformational tool in genetics. Important points to remember is that always cross the unknown with a recessive individual. If all the offspring show the dominant trait, then it is a homozygous, and if 50% show the recessive trait, then it is a heterozygous. So the test cross is based on the Mendel's law of segregation, and it is widely used in plants and animal breeding. So in modern genetics, it's used with the marker gene or a reporter gene to track the genetic track. So test cross and dihybrid inheritance. Test cross is also used in dihybrid cross. For example, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y is crossed with small r, small y, small y. And it gives a phenotypic ratio of 1:1:1:1 if independently assortment is hold true. So cross is made with a homozygous recessive individual, results in the phenotypic ratio, helps in determining whether the unknown is homozygous or heterozygous, and it is essential tool in classical and molecular genetics. So test cross is a breeding program to select a true breeding line. It verifies hybrid genotype in a crops and understanding gene interaction in inheriting patterns. So that's a wrap up on today's session about the test cross. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe